Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Firstly, going to settings, scroll down and choose additional settings. Now keyboard and input method, Gboard and find the theme. Over here you can select show more to see all available ones, and when you're ready, tap on the best one for you. Tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off and tap on apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings and tapping on this plus icon. Now pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done and enable or disable keyboarders by tapping on the switcher. Lastly, choose Apply and go back. Now as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!